Pangalawa, walang arrest warrant. Is that a violation too?
Mr. Chair, if I heard the representation of Mr. Villanueva correctly a while ago, the matter is already decided with finality in the Supreme Court. I would not like to comment on the merits thereof as it may violate our duty as lawyer as far as there is already a decision made by the Supreme Court. But again, with regard po doon sa possible accountability, administrative accountability or liability of Mr. Villanueva as the principal or head of the office during the time of that conduct of investigation, it will all depend po dun sa mga attending circumstances. Because as I mentioned, Mr. Chair, one of the requirements is that the principal should know that there is an irregularity or an omission that was committed, and despite knowing of such irregularity or wrong committed by his subordinates, he failed to take corrective actions on the matter. So
The irregularity caused the brokenness of the family actually. Anyway, Miss Jed, nabanggit mo na hanggang ngayon, hindi mo alam kung buhay pa o patay na ang iyong asawa? Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo alam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Wilkins, alam mo ba napatay na si Alan C?
Mr. Chair, wala siya doon sa laboratory when the time was when we raided the laboratory, Mr. Chair.
So hindi mo rin alam kung buhay siya.
Hindi ko alam, Mr. Chair.
Oh, okay. So, ayan. Ms. Jed, narinig mo ang sinabi ni Director Wilkins na hindi rin niya alam kung buhay o patay ang asawa mo.
Opo, Your Honor. Actually, kung pwede pa akong magsalita, sabi ko nga, sa 20 years, I was able to accept na God has a purpose. Kung buhay man si Alan C. or patay, gusto ko na sana matahimik na po ito, Your Honor. Kasi nagsuffer na po ako ng 20 years, yung anak ko. Di ba kanina sabi nga ng may decided na may finality na po yung kaso namin. Wala na akong magawa eh. Pero siguro tama yung sinasabi sa Bible na Proverbs 13:23 na for lack of justice there is waste. By waste talaga. Kasi yung buhay namin ng kami, magkapatid. Supposedly hindi kami nagpapagasto sa gobyerno sa pagkain, sa rasyon, sa kulungan.